Okay, this is how I set up the Git Bash, linked Git Bash to VS Code to go into terminal, start a new terminal. So now we got the terminal going right here. And then we go to select default profile. So you can see that I have Git Bash as default now, but it wasn't like that. It was PowerShell earlier. But anyway, so I go to set defaults, and you can go up here and select Git Bash as default, and that's it. I run the to check it, run the python -m -env env, and so that brings up the next window. So I typed in source env scripts activate and got the virtual environment, and that's it. Took a little while to figure that out, but it works.